Another reason fake news spreads is because of something called confirmation bias. This means we believe things that match our own thoughts even if they are not true. Fake news can be dangerous. During the COVID-19 pandemic, fake news about fake cures and wrong information caused a lot of harm. In politics, fake news can be changed. However, people vote by telling lies about candidates. It can also make people angry, scared, or confused. This can lead to fights and problems in families, school, and even countries. So how can we spot a fake news? Here are 5 simple tips. First, check the source. If the website or person who shared it known as trusted. Second, read the full story, not just the headline. Headlines can be misleading. Third, check the date. Sometimes, old news is shared again to make it look new. Fourth, see if other websites are saying the same thing. If only one place are reporting the news, it might be true. And fifth, use the fact-checking websites like Snopes or FactCheck. These websites help you find the truth. We all can help stop fake news. Think before you share anything online. If something feels strange or wrong, ask questions. Help your friends and family check if the news is true. And support real news by spreading or watching trusted news sources. When we work together, we can fight fake news and help everyone stay informed. Fake news is a big problem, but we can do something about it. If we learn how to spot it and stop it, we make the internet and the world better place. Thank you for watching.